Cars, cars, windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars. Good morning, puppy. Look, a beautiful ripe apple's rolled up to you. I wonder where it came from. Are you following the smell of apples? There's another. Look at how many apples there are. The fruit's ripe now. Time to pick it all. That's an orange. Oh, the orange fell on the puppy's head. He's got a bump. The ambulance is coming out of the helper car's garage. Where's our patient? There he is. We need to rub some ointment on the bump. Let's open the first aid box. Now carefully put some ointment on your paw and rub it on your head. It's all done. Thank you, ambulance. So that the fruit doesn't fall on anyone else's head. Oh, watch out! That's right. We need to pick it all. The puppy is run off to the garage. Helper cars, please help us with the fruit picking. There are so many helper cars. There's an excavator with a grapple, a loader, and 3 different colored tractors with trailers. A yellow one, an orange one, and a red one. They're all off to bring in the harvest. We'll put the fruit in these boxes. The excavator is shaking the apple tree, and the apples are falling onto the ground. The loader's collecting the fruit in its bucket. One box full of apples. 2 boxes. 3 boxes. Neat and tidy. Now to pick the oranges. The first box. And the second. Pears. The excavator's doing a wonderful job with its grapple. There's still one left on the tree. We've picked all the fruit. Now it's time to take them to the shop. The red tractor is taking the red apples. The oranges are going in the orange tractor's trailer. And the pears are going in the yellow tractors. The helper cars have done a great job. Thank you. The puppy is going home to rest in his kennel. It's time for bed now. The helper cars are going to rest in their own garage. There will be a new job waiting for them tomorrow.
Cars, 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 windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
There's a little boat sailing on the river. Captain Puppy is at the head. Do you see something? Oh, is that an old wheel? The whole car is in the water. Who can help get it out? The puppy is asking the construction vehicles for help. The excavator, crane truck, tow truck, and pickup truck are coming out of the garage. The tow and crane trucks are heading for the river. The crane truck is pushing out its long arm. It's using its big magnet to lift up the sunken vehicle. It's an old forklift truck. It's so dirty, and the cabin is full of water. The tow truck is taking the broken forklift to the repair shop. The boat can set sail again. Captain Puppy, full steam ahead. It's the repair shop. Let's see what we can do with the forklift truck. The excavator has put the forklift on the platform. Its chain is all rusty. Its forks are bent and won't go up. The wheel jerks when it spins. Let's take the forklift apart. We'll take the tires off. They might be dirty, but they still work. We'll keep the engine. It still looks new. Let's remove the steering wheel too. Let's put together the new forklift. The motor goes under the hood. The forks go at the front. All done. We don't need the old, rusty body anymore. That strong magnet is dropping it into a special crusher. Now we've got scrap metal we can recycle and reuse. Look, Captain Puppy's come ashore. The pickup truck has brought him boxes of fruit. They need unloading. Which vehicle could do that? Our new forklift truck. It's doing such a great job. The forklift has loaded all the boxes onto the boat's deck. Thank you. The puppy can set sail again. I wonder where he's taking those tasty apples. The helper cars are heading back to their garage. They've finished their work for today. Time for a break.
Cars, 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 Windshields, wheels, trucks, and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
The yellow taxi is driving along. The kitten is sitting inside. This taxi is an electric car. Look, there's still plenty of charge in the battery. Oh, the bottom panel opened. It's right on the road. That's not good. The red pickup truck noticed the fallen part. It needs to pick it up and take it to the repair shop. The forklift puts the yellow panel into the pickup truck's bed. The road is clear. It's time to go. And the taxi arrives at the airport. That's where the kitten was going. Who's the next passenger? It's the puppy. Look, he has a suitcase. He must have just arrived from somewhere. Take the puppy home, taxi. The car is driving fast. Oops, one of the batteries fell to the ground. The lid wasn't there to hold it up. Sparks are flying out from under the taxi. Smoke is coming out. The car is pulling over. What if the taxi catches fire? We need help from the big helper cars. Out of the garage comes a fire truck, a tow truck, a crane, a road sweeper, and another taxi. The helper cars arrived just in time. The fire truck sprays foam on the taxi. You can't put out a battery fire with water. No more smoke now. The tow truck lowers its ramp. The crane gently lifts the broken taxi and places it on the platform. It's time to go to the repair shop. What about the foam? The road sweeper washes it away. The puppy calls for another taxi. Here it is. The passenger will be home soon. This is the repair shop. The door opens and the cars drive in. The broken car needs to be lifted and inspected. Here's the burnt battery. The manipulator takes it out to replace it with a new one. All done. The indicator is green again. Here's the pickup truck. Do you remember what it's carrying? It's the protective panel that will prevent the batteries from falling out again. Let's secure it properly on each side.
Taxi, your repairs are complete. You can go. Safe travels. The helper cars are going back to their garage. I wonder who they will rescue next time. Cars, 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 windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
The dump truck has brought some big blocks to the playground. The construction vehicles are going to build a new slide. Oh, one block is rolled under the trampoline. The excavator is here now. He's using his grapple to put the blocks in place. Kitten, there's a red and white tape in front of you. Crossing it could be dangerous. That's very dangerous. There are lots of vehicles working on the playground. Should you really be playing when there's building going on there? Oh, the kitten has had a fall and hurt her paw. It really hurts. She can't walk. It's a good thing the puppy heard the cat. The puppy is being very careful as he goes through the tape. Kitten, let us have a look at your paw. It's swollen. We need to put some ice on it. The ice cream van probably has some ice. The van has driven up to the playground. Here's some ice, Kitten. Put your paw in it. The puppy has run off to the helper car's garage. Which of them could help the kitten? The ambulance is coming out of the yellow door. Ambulance, we need to take the kitten to the hospital. Look, the ambulance is driving very quickly. Everyone is letting it pass. The ambulance can even go through traffic lights when they're on red. Here is the patient. Get it on the stretcher. That won't work. The cat's paw still hurts. The excavator is going to build a ramp. The stretcher is coming down. It's much easier for the cat to get on the ambulance now, since she doesn't have to step on her injured paw. How is the puppy going to get to the hospital, though? In the taxi. To get to the hospital, we've got to turn left. The sign with the red cross tells us that. Thank you, taxi. Oh my! The kitten is already coming out of the hospital. They've bandaged her paw. Now she can walk by herself.
Cars, cars, cars. Windshields, wheels, trucks and doors. They drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 cars. Made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
This is a farm. Lots of domestic animals and birds live here. The chickens live in this coop. They lay eggs, which are then collected and taken to the store. The manipulator is carefully placing the eggs in a box. This is the pickup truck. It's come to the farm to collect the boxes of eggs, then take them to the store. The forklift is picking up the wooden pallet and putting it into the back of the pickup truck. Oops, one of the boxes is open, and the pickup truck hasn't noticed. And of course, all the eggs fell out on the first sharp turn. It's a good thing they didn't break. Now there are 5 eggs missing from the box. One of them is lying right on the road. Cars, can you gather up the eggs? Let's put them all back in this box. The red car found the first egg. Look, here's another one in the carrot patch. Yellow car, look again. What's that in the pig pen? Well done, you found it. The red car is looking in the chicken coop. That nest is empty. Here's an egg in this box of carrots. Now they're all back in the box. The pickup truck is driving to the store. But where are the little cars going? Look what the forklift is carrying. Jars of water, brushes, and paints. The cars are painting the eggs. Let's decorate the eggs with stickers. Then they'll be even more beautiful. A cupcake. Another cupcake. A flower. Now we've got a whole basket of beautiful, colorful eggs. Time for the helper cars to go back to the garage. There will be new tasks for them tomorrow.